dearies. Don't want to get burned.
There you go, sport. Yeah. Goodbye!
Such nice young men.
Enough. The Tennyson boy is a fool. UV rays are nothing compared to our combined might.
Can't see anything from up here. Why did I do this? Whoa! Thanks for the boost! Now eat lightning!
Oh, dingle dungle.
It is you who will be consuming lightning.
Hey, this important?
Hand that over, human.
Only if you can catch me. Come on, could really use your help right now. You listen to me. Now give me laser eyes.
It is useless to hide. I'm not hiding. I'm getting ready for a cannon. Weatherheads, commence counterattack procedures. If we felt anger, we would shake our fists at you. But we do not.